A Grocery Buying Guide. Chapter 1. Groceries for Sale. Grocery Shopping Tips/Grocery Ideas. To learn about food in general, go to number 640 and number 641 at the library. The section number 640.73 or TX356 at the library is for grocery shopping. The cheapest supermarkets are in the lower class part of town. Pick a supermarket there that sells its good cheap. Learn what the prices are for the food you buy. Shop at different supermarkets. Each supermarket has certain things priced lower than other supermarkets. Steer clear of fast foods. Get the free supermarket loyalty cards for extra discounts. Walmart and drug stores sell lots of dry goods food. Some warehouse clubs are good, but some people analyzed prices of things ounce by ounce and found that supermarkets came out better for quite a lot of products. Your local newspaper has grocery flyers probably in Thursday and Friday newspapers. If a deal is great, stock up. Cook from scratch. Eliminate convenience food. You can make gallons of soup for the cost of a couple of cans. Freeze and can fresh vegetables when they are in season. Gardening is cheap. Shop farmers markets at the end of the day when they are ready to go home. Use reusable water bottles filled with tap water instead of buying water. All beer is the same. Premium beer is marketing. Buy in season. Generic brands have the same quality as the major brands most of the time. The perishables like meat and bread can go for extremely cheap. If you got guts, you'll take a walk around the back of the supermarket. If there are dumpsters there not locked up, you'll often find bread and vegetables there. I did myself. When I was riding my bike, I saw a bunch of bread and fruit in back of a supermarket. After that, I went by every week with a knapsack. Men go in to get exactly what they want and don't look around. It's best to know in advance exactly what you want. Don't buy convenient processed foods on impulse. Use generic brands. They're often exactly the same as higher-priced name-brand versions, but read labels in case of imitation ingredients. Check your receipt. Scanned items do not always ring up at the correct price. It happened to me. Just because they put a sign up saying product X is price X, they often conveniently forget to change it in their computer. Grocery stores purposely place common items in the back of the store so you have to walk down the aisles to get there. The more snacks, cereals, and other processed foods you pass, the greater the chances that you'll grab something not on your list. Shop at the outer perimeter of the store and you'll generally find the lower priced and healthier items like meat, produce and dairy. Processed foods are generally on the interior. Shop with a list of everything you need. Put the list on your fridge and write on it anytime you think of food you need. Make a permanent list of all the things you regularly buy. Plan out a weekly menu. Don't go when you're hungry because you'll buy all kinds of junk. Have a budget. Buy in bulk to save money. While fresh veggies are best, frozen veggies are almost as good. Meat is expensive. Eat vegetarian meals several times a week. Buying pre-made snacks is a big waste of money. If you buy snacks, buy them in bulk. Cook a lot, then freeze a part of it. Always have extra batteries, toilet tissue, and light bulbs. Crock pot dinners are easy, cheap, and tasty. Cut up a bunch of ingredients, throw them in the pot and simmer in the morning and have dinner ready for you when you get home. Can anything be more perfect than that? I submit that it cannot. Try the generic store brands. Cut back on your one-item trips. Buy everything together. Eat whole grain cereals. Watch at the register for overcharges on items. When there's a sale, stock up. Stores place the items they want you to buy most at waist to eye level. The cheapest stuff is high and low. Look for produce that's in season. Don't assume that just because something is on sale, or comes in a bulk container, it's a good deal. Sometimes the generic version or a different sized container will be a better deal than the sale item. Check the unit price, usually found right on the shelf's price label, of each item to find out how much you are actually paying. Learn a bit about healthy and good storage so you don't ruin the food you buy. Stockpile a bit but not more than 3 or 4 months worth of food. Go to the recipe section in this book and look for frugal, cheap recipes. Go to number 641 at the library. Buy in quantity and freeze meats, bread, and butter. Avoid costly convenience foods. Encourage children to help with cooking. Eat before shopping to avoid impulse buying. Make a shopping list and stick to it. Buy nutritious snacks for children such as apples, oranges, bananas, carrots, etc. Shop on Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday evenings for the shortest lines. Shop at discount food warehouses and buy in bulk. Does your favorite pizza parlor have a special deal on a Monday or Tuesday? There are tons of coupons out there for pizza. Buy meat in bulk and freeze it in small packages. Less tender cuts of meat are cheaper, can be cooked longer and have more flavor. Buy soda at the store, not from a machine. Look at price per ounce/pound when comparing items. Paper plates are a waste. Use real ones. Look at the grocery store ads in the Sunday paper or online. If you have fussy children, you can children's recipes that are healthy and taste good. Shop during slow times when the store is quiet. Avoid the corner store. Try co-ops. There's no store with a monopoly on savings. Pick the 2 cheapest supermarkets, then visit them alternately each week. Don't waste leftovers. Go for whole, unprocessed foods. Read food labels. Avoid impulse buys. Store savings cards can add up to big savings over the long run. Avoid frozen dinners or prepared entrees. Consider making your own ice cream, yogurt, and bread. Major grocery foods. The major grocery foods are baby products, baking supplies, bread, canned fruits, canned meat, canned vegetables, cereal, cleaning products, coffee, tea, condiments, salad dressing, dairy, deli, meat, frozen food, health, beauty, cosmetics, organic, paper products, napkins, pasta, rice, pastry, peanut butter, jam, snack, junk food, soups, reusable grocery bags. Canada eliminated plastic bags. You can buy a paper bag or cloth bag there. Most people bring in knapsacks and stuff to pack their groceries. It proves you can re-educate a population for these things. Delight.com, Earthwisebags.com, Getscan.com, Greensak.com, OneBagatime.com, Reusablebags.com, TheGreatBag.com, TheGreenBag.com, Grocery stores/food stores/supermarkets, ProgressiveGrocer.com, SupermarketNews.com, 99ranch.com, AcmeMarkets.com, AffiliatedFoods.com, Ahold.com, AholdUSA.com, Albertsons.com, Aldi.com, Aldi.de, AndersonsMarket.com, APTA.com, Asda.co.uk, AssociatedSupermarkets.com, BigBearStores.com, BigsHyper.com, Belo.com.au, BJS.com, Bromart.com, Byerlys.com, Carrefour.com, Cashwise.com, Coles.com.au, ColoradoPrimeFoods.com, Colorado Prime Foods, CompareSupermarkets.com, CoopersMarkets.com, Costco.com, SeatownSupermarkets.com, DelHaysGroup.com, EthnicGrocer.com, FestivalFood.com, Festival Foods, FestOhio.com, FOOD4LESS.com, FoodCity.com, Food City, Foodlandza.com.au, FoodLion.com, Food Lion, foodprideonline.com, freshbrowns.com, Gennardis.com, gianteagle.com, giantpaw.com, groceriesexpress.com, groceryoutlets.com, hannaford.com, highlander.net, hometownfavorites.com, Hy-Vee.com, IGAinc.com, Jewelosco.com, JubileeFoods.com, JungleGyms.com, CashAndCarry.com, KingSupers.com, Kmart.com, Kroger.com, Loblaw.com, Lowe'sFoods.com, MillersMarkets.com, NashFinch.com, Newmart.com.au, OnlineFoods.net, OverWAidea.com, PanSeaFoods.com, Pathmark.com, Pavilions.com, Peapod.com, Pick'nSave.com, PigglyWiggly.com, PriceChopper.com, PricesMart.ca, Provigo.ca, Publix.com, QualityFoods.com, Randalls.com, Safeway.com, SamsClub.com, SantonisMarket.com, Save-a-lot.com, Schnucks.com, Schwans.com, ScolarisTorres.com, SentryFoods.com, Shaws.com, ShopFoodTown.com, ShoppersFood.com, ShopRite.com, SmartandFinal.com, SOF.com, Sparent.com, StopaandShop.com, store.yahoo.com/Oakville Grocery, SunmartFoods.com, SuperFreshFood.com, SuperValue.com, Target.com, Telegrocer.com, TheFoodEmporium.com, TheFoodStores.com, Thriftway.com, ThriftwaysHopeandBag.com, TopsMarkets.com, TraderJoe's.com, TraderJoe's.com, UrbanFare.com, Walmart.com, Wegmans.com, Weiss.com, WholeFoodsMarket.com, WilsonFarms.com, WincoFoods.com, Winn-Dixie.com, Woolworths.com.au, YankeeGrocery.com, grocery websites/food shopping websites. Try number 640.73 or TX 335-356 at the library. Cheapcooking.com, consumerist.com/consumer/shopping, Costco.com, DollarStretcher.com, eHow.com, how to save money by smart shopping, eHow.com, how to shop in a grocery store, GrocerySavingTips.com, GroceryTips.groceryguide.com, healthcastle.com/grocery_shopping_tip s.html, MakeALifeeasy.com, free shopping organizer and smart shopping software, MassBuy.com, MeatMattersInfo.org, MENUS4MOMS.com, PeoplesGrocery.org, Oakland area, SamsClub.com, ShopAndSave.com, ShopAndSaveSmart.com, SixWise.com, SupermarketGuru.com, SupermarketSavevy.com, TheFrugalShopper.com, TheGroceryGame.com, save money on groceries, TheShoppingBags.com, ThriftiesHopper.com, WomansDay.com, Savvy Shopper, online grocery delivery. Some companies offer local grocery service. Most charge for delivery if your total is under about $50, but it's free if your total goes above this. Check the supermarkets in your local area for a website where you can order your groceries online. agrocerydelivery.com, AIWF.com, wine and food, Albertsons.com, Albertsons.com, AlliantLink.com, Amazon.com, AULSuperstore.com, BarbecueSearch.com, BigBearStores.com, BulkFoods.com, ShenWS.org, Food and Wine, CoopersMarkets.com, eGrocer.com, eGroceryUSA.com, EthnicGrocer.com, 800-523-1961, Food.com, FoodFair.com, Winnipeg, Canada, FreshDirect.com, NYC, Gennardys.com, GROCERIES-EXPRESS.com, GrocerOnline.com, Grocery.lifetips.com, GroceryGateway.com, Toronto, Canada, Groceries.hopping.net, GROCERY-STORK.com, Northern Indiana Towns, GroceryWorks.com, Texas, HebrewGrocery.com, HillsHomeMarket.com, HomeGrocer.com, Oregon, Washington, HomeRuns.com, Massachusetts, KBGrocery.com, Cosmo.com, Lowe'sFoods.com, MexGrocer.com, Mexican food by postal delivery, MyGroceryChecklist.com, MyWebGrocer.com, NestorsMarket.com, Whistler, BC, NetGrocer.com, FedEx, OmahaGroceryShopping.com, Omaha, NE, OnlineGrocery.com.sg, Singapore, OnlineGroceryMart.com, Packabarrel.com, Caribbean nations, PDQuick.com, Los Angeles, CA, PeachtreeNetwork.com, lots of local grocers listed, Peapod.com, big cities, PetesCountyMarket.com, Alexandria, VA, PopGrocer.com, NYC, Priceline.com, QualityFoods.com, Victoria, BC, Canada, ReynoldsStores.com, RocheBrothers.com, Boston, MA, Safeway.com, SantonizMarket.com, Baltimore, MD, Schwans.com, home delivery and mail order of, SpokaneGroceryShopper.com, Spokane, WA, Streamline.com, Northeast cities like Boston and Washington, SunriseFoods.com, Superquinn.ie, Ireland, Telegrocer.com, Tesco.com, The Food Emporium ShopOnline.com, UrbanFetch.com, UrbanGrocery.com, Washington, D.C., VALuPage.com, Supermarket Coupons, VinegarMan.com, Vons.com, Webvan.com, several big cities. Grocery auctions info. There are auctions where they sell either individual food products like a can of ham or a grocery list, a list of 10 or more items together. These are usually physical in your local area. They're not online much because of the shipping costs and perishable factor. Find these auctions by going to auction list websites. eHow.com, how to find grocery auctions. National Auctioneers Association. 8880 Ballantine. Overland PK, KS 66214. 800-662-9438. Auctioneers.org. best-price.com/food. Grocerylists.org. Auctionzip.com. Liquidation.com. Liquidators.com. eBay.com. wisfarmer.com/content/auctions/stories/auctions.php, Wisconsin.